It's a 2017 Chevrolet Cruze. From the morning commute to weekend adventures, this Cruze is the do-it-all compact that is there to serve. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated bucket seats, doors and push-button start proximity key, air conditioning, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive adds, the 4-door Cruze is a handsome car shaped in the fashion of Chevrolet's well-received mid-size Malibu sedan with even better proportions. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.